welcome back to my channel. It's Allison here, and I know I've been gone for forever, but I'm trying to be back, on the grind, on the YouTube grind. I tried to do a super duper uber easy makeup tutorial, so I did a no makeup look, probably because I got makeup on, but I don't have on any lashes, so if you want to see how cheap this looks, just keep on watching. So first thing first, I use this daily moisturizer. It's supposed to make you, I don't know if you can see it, but it's supposed to make you glow from within. I got the medium skin tone, so I don't know. I put it on. I don't know if I'm glowing or not. Okay, so I'm using this Black Radiance foundation, and I've been using it for about a week now. I don't know how I feel about it. I know that it's all free. Okay, I'm using my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Fun. That is the most popular color. I get this from the store that I work at. I work at a beauty supply store, so I like to kind of stock up on with my Maybelline powder, and this powder is kind of like, I don't know, it's like if you, let me say, I keep getting tongue tied twisted, but this powder is not for baking. Like, if you can bake with this powder, kudos to you, because I cannot. This is my first time using this powder, and I was like, but I cannot bake with it because it leaves patches all over my face and it looks horrible. So I just put it on and like pat it into my skin, whether baking. It looks flawless on camera, but I don't know. I don't like this powder. Black Radiance. Yeah, this is Black Radiance. I'm gonna take my Black Radiance True Complexion Contour Palette. This thing is so good. Like, I've been sleeping on it. Like, I had it before and I was like, the contour color really didn't work for me, but now I don't know, it's working. Maybe I had the lighter palette, but this time I got medium to darks. I'm gonna take my contour brush. It's kind of like an angle. As you can see, it goes to an angle. It's perfect for contouring, I'm telling you. I'm gonna take the middle color and then set the rest of my face. And then I'm going back in with that powder and kind of clean up my contour, because I like a straight line under my contour. I like it. But you gotta be careful with this, because sometimes it could give you a flashback under your contour. So I'm going to highlight, and I'm not gonna use any lashes because this is a no makeup routine, so I'm not going going to put any lashes on. I'm just gonna put a ton of mascara on, and yeah, but first I'm going to highlight. So I'm gonna take it's a Milani eyeshadow. It's called Bella Chiffon. It's the number 28, and it looks white. Like, I can't open it because it's cracked all up. But I'm gonna try to show you guys. I don't know, you can't see it, but it's white. But when you put it on your face, it's like a goldy color, and I love it so much. Okay, so to finish this look off, I'm going to put on mascara. Highlight my inner corner of my eye, and I'm gonna just do that. I really love this highlighter. Like, y'all don't understand. This is so good. And I don't much think I got it from a beauty supply store. I think I got it from a grocery store where they sell, have the little bins full of makeup. It was like $1. Milani highlighters are not $1, so that was a deal to me. So this is the finished look. It's if you going to work or just going to make groceries or anything like that, it's a super duper ooper easy makeup look. If you want to catfish somebody, Instagram baddie. So yeah, if you want to see more videos, subscribe to my channel.